Welcome to our vocabulary lesson 2. Today, we'll learn 10 amazing words, their meanings, and examples to help you use them confidently. Let's dive in. 1. Benevolent. Meaning, kind and generous. Example: the benevolent woman donated food to the homeless shelter. Imagine someone always helping others, that's being benevolent. 2. Astonish. Meaning, to surprise or amaze someone. Example: the magician's tricks astonished the audience. Next time you see something unbelievable, you can say, "I'm astonished." 3. Vibrant. Meaning, full of energy and life, bright and colorful. Example: the garden is filled with vibrant flowers in every color. Think of a bright rainbow, so vibrant and lively. 4. Impeccable. Meaning, perfect, without any flaws. Example: her outfit was impeccable, not a single wrinkle. If you do something flawlessly, people might say, "That was impeccable." 5. Adventurous. Meaning, willing to try new and exciting things. Example: he's so adventurous, he loves hiking mountains and exploring caves. Are you an adventurous person? Let us know in the comments. 6. Hinder. Meaning, to slow down or prevent progress. Example: the heavy rain hindered our plans for a picnic. When something stops you from moving forward, it's hindering you. 7. Resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example: after failing the test, she stayed resilient and studied harder. Being resilient means bouncing back, no matter what. 8. Cautious. Meaning, careful to avoid danger or mistakes. Example: he was cautious while crossing the busy road. It's always good to be cautious in unfamiliar situations. 9. Magnify. Meaning, to make something appear larger or more important. Example: the scientist used a microscope to magnify the tiny cells. Think of a magnifying glass, it helps you magnify small things. 10. Optimistic. Meaning, having a positive outlook, expecting good things to happen. Example: even on rainy days, she stays optimistic and finds something to enjoy. Are you optimistic about learning new words? We hope so. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.